Welcome to Fra World News 24. Today, we are taking you to a mesmerizing location in China where natural beauty, millennia of history, and folklore blend to create a magnificent wonder. This is Shennü Peak, situated on the banks of the Yangtze River, known to the world as Goddess Peak. This extraordinary scene, captured by a drone camera, is not merely of a mountain. It is a living work of nature's art that captivates thousands of visitors every day. Known as the lifeblood of China, the Yangtze River stretches approximately 6,300 kilometers. It is the longest river in Asia and the third longest in the world. For over 1,000 years, this river has played a remarkable role in the development of China's agriculture, trade, transportation, and culture. The world-famous Three Gorges, Kutong Gorge, Wu Gorge, and Shilin Gorge, are situated along the middle reaches of this river. Among them, Wu Gorge is considered the most picturesque, featuring the mysterious Goddess Peak standing tall. An ancient Chinese legend surrounds Goddess Peak. According to folklore, a celestial goddess descended to Earth to protect travelers navigating the Yangtze River from danger. She eventually took up her position atop this peak, deciding to keep a perpetual watch to ensure the safety of the people. From then on, this mountain came to be known as Devi Shringa, Goddess Peak. Even today, many locals believe that the presence of the goddess can be felt within the clouds drifting over the mountain's summit. As the drone slowly ascended into the sky, an incredible vista unfolded before the eyes. The mighty Yangtze River flowed, cutting through the heart of the Green Mountains. The towering sheer rock walls flanking the river resembled a fortress crafted by nature's own hands. At times, white clouds drift down the mountainside. At other times, sunlight kisses the mountain peaks, casting a golden reflection upon the river waters. Surrounded by dense forests, crisp air, and the silence of the mountains, it feels as though I have arrived in a tranquil realm, far removed from the clamor of the world. Each drone shot reveals a new facet of nature, a sight so captivating one cannot look away. Today, Goddess Peak is not merely a sightseeing spot. It is one of China's most popular tourist destinations. Every year, hundreds of thousands of tourists from around the world visit the area. River cruises, scenic viewpoints, a modern cable car system, safe walking paths, and excellent tourist facilities have made the area even more attractive. The integration of modern infrastructure and environmental conservation in China has transformed this region into a key destination for international tourism. Tourism here not only boosts the economy, but also plays a vital role in preserving local culture and natural heritage. It is never possible to fully express the beauty of nature in words. Goddess Peak stands as living proof of this. This magnificent confluence of clouds, mountains, rivers, and the sky reminds us that the world is still filled with countless wonders. If you love nature, travel, and drone. Cinematography? You should certainly include this extraordinary place in China on your travel list at least once. If you enjoyed the video, please be sure to like, comment, and share. And subscribe to Fra World News 24 to watch more informative documentaries from around the globe. That's all for today. Stay well and healthy. We'll meet again tomorrow with another wonder from around the world.